Hi everybody, my name is Mark Mumey. I am an executive data chef with SAP. Talking about the best thing I ever ate, or the system that I built that I'm probably most proud of, would be a massive data warehouse for a telco in India, where we had to architect a system where we were ingesting 50 to 100 terabytes of data per day, about a petabyte of data per month, and keeping 6 to 12 months of that information online. But more importantly, being able to scale that system to be able to handle anywhere from 200 to 400 million end users that had access to that information at any point in time. Right? And building that in a way that leveraged not just one or two or three products from SAP, but a handful of products from SAP as well as open source tools to build a consolidated environment that allowed the end users to have access to all of their telco data, all of their cell phone data at their fingertips on the device, but yet have a rather large infrastructure being able to scale up and handle 12 to 15 petabytes of data with tens of thousands of concurrent users accessing that system.